Abuti, say hello to the children.
Sanibona bantwana.
Today, we're on the farm. Are you ready to learn some new words, kids?
Yeah!
Now, on this farm, there is a cow, a sheep, a pig, and a chicken. Do you know what the word is for cow in isiZulu?
Inkomo!
Very good. Inkomo.
Sawubona.
And what is the word for sheep in isiZulu?
Imvu!
That's right, imvu.
Sawubona.
Now, what is the word for pig in isiZulu?
Ingulube!
That's right, ingulube.
Sawubona.
And what is the word for chicken in isiZulu?
Inkuku!
Very good, inkuku.
Sawubona.
And now you know the names of the farm animals. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.